how to access FS24X via HART DTM. The FS24X can be configured and operated by a device type, managed by a DTM that provides an easy-to-use user interface for accessing device variables, configuration parameters, and diagnosis information. And the FS24X should have one optional HART module installed to use HART communication. In order to be able to use the FS24X HART DTM and to go online with the device, you need the following components: FDT frame application, packware or some other FDT application supporting FDT 1.2.x, HART communication DTM, Honeywell Analytics HART DTM library, Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5, HART modem. In order to be able to use the FS24X HART DTM and to go online with the device, hardware configuration is required. And the HART module for FS24X FSXA01 must be installed on the back of the duck. Pins 5 and 6 of the J1 connector are for 220 mA analog signals, so connect the 250 ohm resistor to pins 5 and 6 of the J1 connector. Then connect the HART modem clip to both sides of the resistor. Users can establish a connection to the device in the following order: run the packware program and select new project. Then HART communication item will appear in the list. Double-click the HART communication in the list to add the device tag to the project tree. When a device tag is added to the project tree, the DTM library list installed on the computer are displayed. Select a device tag. Right-click and select Parameter from the pop-up menu. On the Device Parameter Properties tab, select the Communication Interface as HART modem. Click OK button to close the Device Parameters Properties tab. Double-click FSXA01 in the list to add the FS24X HART module to the project tree. Select FSXA01 in the project tree, right-click and select Connect from the pop-up menu to access the HART module on the FS24X via HART communication, to access the HART module on the FS24X via HART communication. When HART communication is connected, the connection indicator color changes to green. FS24X and Device Tag Manager are now online. User can check the current status values of FS24X as well as manage it by Device Type Manager.